Hey guys, today in this video, I'll tell you about SoFi Automated Investing. Watch till the end to grab everything properly. Alright, so let's begin with the video. SoFi continues to be one of my favorite investment platforms in 2024. I've been a SoFi customer since 2019, and I've been using their investment platform for several years. Now, let's talk about why this might be the best investment platform for you. A generous referral bonus. Deposit $10 or more into your account and receive $50 to invest. If you just go to the main SoFi Invest page, you'll see you can earn up to $1,000. But if you look at the fine print, you'll see this chart. What does this mean? 85% of people only get $5, and you have a 0.28% chance of getting $1,000. That means 1 in every 3,571 people get $1,000. By summing up all these odds, the expected value that you'll get from this offer is just $8. Why do I like this platform? There are two fee-free ways to invest with SoFi: active investing and automated investing. With active investing, you can directly invest in stocks, ETFs, and with automated investing, you choose your risk tolerance and answer several other questions. One of the big benefits of SoFi's robo-advisor versus competitors like Wealthfront and Betterment is the fact that they don't charge any management fee. Wealthfront and Betterment both charge a fee of 0.25% per year. Account types. You can open a taxable brokerage account, traditional IRA, Roth IRA, or a SEP IRA account. And with each of those, you could have either an active investing account or an automated investing account. There are two important features for me that are deal breakers. If I don't find these, I won't be using the investment platform. The first is the ability to purchase fractional shares. This is important for me because a bunch of stocks and ETFs cost hundreds or even thousands of dollars per share. Instead of saving until you have enough to buy an entire share, you can invest as little as $5 per stock or ETF with SoFi. Another reason why fractional shares are so important to me is because I want to be able to set up recurring investments. I'm not someone who follows the market on a daily or even weekly basis and is trying to beat the market. I want to consistently invest the same amount of money on a weekly or monthly basis in several ETFs. Given the fact that SoFi has fractional share investing and recurring investments, I can easily set up a recurring investment program. Keep in mind, I'm not a financial advisor and nothing in this video is financial advice. I just want to walk you through an example of how you could set up this type of recurring investment with SoFi. Another perk of investing with SoFi is that you can actually speak to a financial advisor for free. Many firms charge a percent fee based on the assets you have with them, and others could charge you hundreds of dollars a month for a session like this. Things you could discuss with your financial advisor: strategies to reach your financial goals, creating a budget, how to smartly borrow money, how to save for your future, creating an investment strategy based on your financial goals, and how to protect yourself from unexpected circumstances with insurance. One thing that's changed is that SoFi is no longer offering crypto investing. As of December 20th, 2023, they've ended this service. One feature that's fairly new in SoFi is the ability to invest in IPOs. So as a private company is looking to go public on a stock exchange that have an initial public offering IPO, you can participate in the IPO and buy initial shares through the SoFi platform. You can also make investments on margin. This means that SoFi will loan you money on top of the money you have to invest. This is a bit riskier. If the stock price goes down, you're going to have to pay back the loan with less money. This isn't something I recommend if you're new to investing. So that's basically all about SoFi Automated Investing. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.